Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make an incredible pasta all'arrabbiata in about 20 minutes. This dish is an Italian classic and one of my all-time favorite recipes. You only need a few simple ingredients to make this dish. You need a bunch of parsley, an onion, some garlic and some chili. Just use as much as you can handle. Some high quality tomatoes, I'm using San Marzano tomatoes, and some penne noodles. Always make sure to get noodles with a rough surface so the sauce can stick better to them. Now let's start preparing our veggies. First, separate the leaves and the stalks of the parsley, set the leaves aside and start to finely mince the stalks. To keep my cutting board clean, I like to have a scrap container on hand. Now continue with your chilies. I'm using already cut up frozen chilies that I harvested myself this summer, but if you have fresh chilies, just de-seed them and chop them finely like I do. Next up, take your garlic and smash it with a knife. This really helps with peeling the garlic because the peel just falls right off. Remove any bits that you don't like and start to thinly slice your garlic. You can also mince your garlic if you prefer it, but I really like these little slices of garlic in my pasta, so I'm gonna do it this way. I know this looks like a bunch of garlic, and it is, but I really enjoy to have lots of garlic in my pasta dishes. Now let's continue with the onion. Cut off the ends of your onion and peel the first layer or two. And then start to finely mince it, and I mean finely. You don't want any half-cooked big pieces of onion in your pasta. If you have any tips on how to prevent crying from onions all the time, please let me know in the comments. Now that we've prepared everything, let's head over to the stove. The first thing you want to do is bring some water to the boil and add 1 or 2 generous pinches of salt. Your water should be sea salty. Once it's up to temperature, just drop your pasta in and give it a good stir. Now turn up the heat for your pan, and to the still cold pan, add a good amount of extra virgin olive oil and throw your veggies right in. Save the parsley leaves for later, of course. And don't forget to occasionally stir your pasta so nothing sticks together. Now fry this off on a medium-high temperature until the veggies get soft and start to brown slightly. Just don't let it get too dark, because otherwise the garlic might taste a little bitter. In the meantime, chop up your parsley leaves so we can use them later. When your veggies look like this, you can go ahead and add your tomatoes. I like to clean my bowl here with a little bit of pasta water so nothing goes to waste. I enjoy having some tomato chunks in my pasta, so I'm just going to break them up with a wooden spoon. If you don't like this texture, just blend your tomatoes beforehand. Once your pasta is about a minute away from being al dente, strain it, save some pasta water and set it aside for a little bit. Now that the tomato sauce has cooked for a little bit, give it a final seasoning with salt, pepper and optionally some sugar, depending on the acidity of your tomatoes. If you want, you could also add some butter at this point to make the sauce even richer. Once your sauce tastes like you enjoy it, add your parsley in, and optionally you can also add a pinch of oregano if you like. Now finally, add your penne to the pan, turn off the heat and mix everything well. If you want, grate some fresh Parmesan cheese over your pasta. Now give everything a final taste. If necessary, adjust your seasoning or add a little bit of pasta water to thin out the sauce. And now it's time to plate up. If you want, grate some more Parmesan cheese over your pasta, place a beautiful parsley leaf on top, add some more freshly ground black pepper, and now this amazing dish is ready to be served. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely try out this recipe and let me know what you think of it in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, comment down below and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.